Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys, as promised, my part 2 for the snowman hat tutorial that I did. This is going to be a show and tell. It is not a tutorial. Um, I apologize. Sorry guys. Okay. So basically these are 3 baskets. The bottom and the top middle are rectangles. The top one right there is a circle. It has cute little handles that I wanted to add a bow, but it was too much when I tried doing it with the bow in the middle, because that's a bow right there. And then 2 bows was just, it was overkill. So I decided not to add a bow. These flowers are a mixture of, the white ones are from Dollar Tree and Michael's, and the red ones are Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, I want to say. The red flowers, like that one right there, the style is actually Hobby Lobby. It was 90% off from fall. So I bought whatever they had thinking that it would be enough. When I got home, it was not enough. So I went out to Dollar Tree and bought the poinsettias. I really love the way this project turned out. It actually sits with my bird cage that I purchased from from Hobby Lobby last year, and it was after Christmas sale. So I really like the way they look together. I'm sure you guys remember this hat that I made. If not, I am going to link it in the description box below so you guys can go visit it, or I'll put an information card up there for you guys to click on. So it was a lot of fun making this little craft. Before I get into dive and tell you how I've done it, this was inspired by May from May Made It channel. She is a fabulous crafter, so this is not my idea. I actually got inspired by her. She did a fall one, I'm going to say a couple of years ago, but I could be completely wrong. I will link her channel in the description box below. You guys can click on it and just see the kind of work she does. It's fabulous. She's a great crafter. And so this piece was inspired by her. Now I will dive into it. So basically I did kind of a candy cane theme. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me turn it up a little bit right there. So it's kind of the red rows of flowers coming up, and then the white flowers from right here. So it's kind of red and white candy cane theme. These flowers right here are from Michael's. These ones obviously from Dollar Tree, the poinsettias. These ones are from Hobby Lobby. These ones are from Dollar Tree. So it's pretty affordable. So I finished the project, and basically in between them, let me see if I can bring it closer. You could, maybe if I lift up, because this is not permanently stuck in there. If you see, I have styrofoam in between them. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to mention that I did not mention in my video was, for my hat video, I made a hole in there, and I completely forgot to tell you guys that the stick was, this little piece right here was actually for the piercing of the hat. So let me put it down right here. So basically I just put sorry, let me hold my camera properly. Basically put the skewer all the way down till I feel it can go no more. And then I take the hat and I pierce it and just turn it over so it faces the front. There you go. That's what that hole was for. And I completely forgot to tell you guys in the video. When I went back to look at the video, I was like, oh, minor detail left out. So anyways, I filled you guys on it right now. So all I did is basically I did all the flowers going in a diagonal. Up here, I did not have enough red flowers and white flowers, and I was not going to go buy more. As you guys realize, Christmas is coming close, so I really wanted to close my Christmas series because a lot of people are done decorating, but not me. I'm still going strong. Anywho, so what I did is, just to fill this little area up and match the greenery up here, I took these leaves that were left from these flowers, because I pulled up, some of the flowers did not have leaves, and I just pierced them with these little ball, you know, the picks that you get from Michael's and Hobby Lobby, these little berry picks. So I ripped individually and I poked them through and I just pierced them right in. And that's all I did to fill this little gap up, and it turned out to look actually really, really cute. And then just randomly I added some red berries, if you could see that right there. There's a red berry between all of them. And basically that's all I did to all of the flowers. I just randomly went in circles. Up here, I did not have, again, enough flowers, did not know what to do. I was a little kind of sad that I shorted flowers. So I did a handmade bow, and I added these 2 flowers on the top and the bottom. And then these berries came from the pick. And I did not want to throw them because they look so cute, or at least I think they look cute. So I just added 2 of them right there. One's actually down there and one's up here. And that's all I did. And then just, it makes a really cute piece. And the beauty about this is it could be reused again and again, because nothing is permanently glued down. All these flowers are just pierced in the styrofoam. I have glued nothing, so nothing is permanent. So if you want, you could change it up, make it one for Easter, which I might do. And when I come back up here, I'm sorry, I'm extremely tired. When Easter comes around, I will show you guys how I will take this 3-tier thing apart and save it for next year. And then I will do an Easter arrangement. So that's pretty much my project for the day. My next thing will be, I'm going to show you guys my Christmas tree. And I will talk about those little ornaments that I made with the candy cane and stuff. Again, I will link the video in the iCard or the description box below. And you guys can see those candy cane ornaments that I made. They look absolutely cute on my tree. So, yeah. Until my next video, please, if you guys like the video and you guys like my crafting and it's inspirational to you guys, please, please, please do not forget to subscribe. I am trying to hit at least 500 subscribers. So if you could please subscribe on my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And if you did like the video, hit the like button and please leave a comment. I love reading the comments you guys leave. It just inspires me to do more. So word of the day is inspire, I guess, today. Oh well. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video for my Christmas tree. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.